So finally we have reached the end of the video, the last part of the project for Mrs. Josine and Mr. Yuri at TUMBAK BAYUH, TIYING TUTUL. So today we're going to discuss about the last finishing part of the building before we're going to show you how the result of all the progress from starting until it ends. It's very fun working with them because Mrs. Josine is a very detailed person, and if you say about the project, there's two types. It's going to be a business project or a dream project. For me, this is a dream project because this is for their own. They will use this building as their house. So it's very enjoyable discussing about everything in details and make everything perfectly as they want it to be to use later in the future. So let's see first about the situation in the field. I will review everything, how far we go with the progress. Check this out. So I'm at the semi-outdoor area. This is the lounge or sofa area. It's quite wide, yeah. So just like a day bed, you step inside to the sunken coach. Outside you have a semi-outdoor area sofa, and in front you have the pool. Across the building is going to be the view. So this is a really nice combination that we provide together with the clients. This villa is not symmetrical, it's very dynamic. You can see the part here, above here is going to be the balcony. The roof part is going to be the main focal point of the building. So the elements that we use here, you can see here, a very nice wood here. This is, I think this is like, yeah, teak wood. This is the teak wood that we choose by Mrs. Josine and Mr. Yuri. The tile gray made, a very nice combination. Gray color is really matched. It's made with many things such as dark color, light color, natural color. So if you choose the tile gray, it's very easy to set up with other elements other than other color. Example, if you put white, it's too plain. If you put dark, it's too heavy. Gray is the middle part, which is kind of matched everything. So yeah, this is the sunken coach area, and yesterday the team from Melodia has installed the system for audio. This is the first villa that integrate the system of the audio very properly, and it's done by a professional team. It's led by Agus, he's my friend. So I recommend them to Mrs. Josine, and they have agreement to install it. So this villa later will have like a built-in speaker and integrated, so you can play the music and you can play in all area. This is very nice. Let's go inside. Let's go from here. So yeah, this is the fun part. So this is the high ceiling area, the void. You have the kitchen island. The good thing yesterday, because Mrs. Josine is quite familiar with the program SketchUp, so we do the modeling, we send it back to her, and after he evaluate everything, we turn it back to us and we apply the concept that we have been agreed together. So this is a very beautiful part of the villa, a big and high ceiling, open area. So this is a very the part that I like in the design part. So you can see the staircase is going to be lead you up to the area upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Isi Pak. Ngegit. Hari stres. Dia sira. Ya, tenang. So yeah, let's go. Okay. special spot. So this is the point of view that you can get if you go to the balcony area. You can see behind me is the beautiful view. I believe this is a green zone area. So across there we have a small river. And come over, come closer. Wow. So the good thing is there's no access to go here. There's some access, but it's not going to be built because I heard from the neighbor because this is going to keep green. This is going to be the point of view of the building. It's very nice. Okay, that was it. Everything's finished for the project. I'm very happy with the situation. So, a little bit story about the project. Mrs.JOSINE and Mr. Yuri is a very patient, good communication, and we solved the problem together. So I'm very thankful for them that has used our service from Gauri Art Studio, and also the team builder from Kori Dewata Karya. The team has done a very good job, hard work and everything. So we have a good communication. This is the key of a good project. Every problem needs to be solved together, and we have find the solution, the best solution based on our consideration and the decision together. So as you can see, they have installed also the solar panel, a very good sound system that applied there very properly. This is the first time, and all the material that we apply for the project is a premium quality, like a very high class. So this is like a dream project for them, and I'm very happy so they can use this project as their house, their home together for the future. Now we come to the last course. Like this is the main course of the video. We will show you now the result. How the result of the building development that has been finished. Check this out. Yeah, that was the last result of the project. As you can see, it's coming up very stunning. I'm very proud of the result that we have been achieved and reached together. So thank you for our client, Mrs.JOSINE and Mr. Yuri. We have a very good communication together. So between the designer team, Bayu and Yogi and me, from the client, Mrs.JOSINE and Mr. Yuri, from the Kori Dewata Karya team as the builder also, they have very done a very specific job, details, and solve the problem together. So the key is the communication. We have a very good communication for the project since the beginning until its end. So that's it. This is the last video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned in our channel to check it out for other video and project that we have. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.